Hello guys, how are you? Tomorrow my sister is going for COVID duty. She's going to stay in the hospital for 1 week and now she's packing her clothes. And let's see what is there inside. She's taking some creams. Show me how many clothes you're taking.
Only 2 pairs, 3 pairs.
Only 3 pairs. She's taking only 3 pairs of clothes because she is always going to wear the uniform, so it's of no use. But still, she has to carry some clothes in case.
This is most important one. These are my lights.
She is going to carry some eatables. Biscuits. This is also biscuit. Eatables are more than her clothes. For 7 days, why do you have to carry so many shampoos?
Because I have to take bath right after I came out of the shower and after reaching the room also I have to take bath.
Okay.
Some green teas.
Why do you need that one?
You have to drink hot water every time. These days, we don't drink cold water. My thermos.
You can carry the smaller one.
Yeah.
I won't see her for 7 days. Let us all support the frontline workers
and pray for them. The best precaution we can take right now, according to me, is hot water. You can take bath with hot water, drink hot water, and take steam also because it makes me feel better. And whenever I take steam, my airways feel like open and also it's clear. And hygiene is number 1.
I can see only eatables.
It's done.
She's all set for tomorrow. It is 6 in the morning and my sister is all set to go. Let us keep supporting the frontline workers and let us pray for them also.
Con hello tắm lại thằng nào? Nguyên với nào? Chóng anh ạ. Bye.
Bye, take care.